Thank you for accepting my invitation. Please accept my cordial greetings and best wishes to the leadership and the people of Myanmar. Pakistan attaches great importance to its relations with Myanmar and deeply values our long-standing friendship and cooperation. There has been a gap. Last visit from your leadership was 2015, to the best of my memory. I was finance minister. And from our side, it was 2012 when President Zardari visited Myanmar. Our bilateral ties are rooted in history and mutual respect, as reflected in the early diplomatic exchanges following Pakistan's independence, notably when Myanmar's ambassador was the first to represent his country and present credentials to the founder of Pakistan. It was the first one. So that is the history. Pakistan remains committed to further strengthening our bilateral cooperation in areas of mutual interest through sustained, structured engagement and practical, result-oriented initiatives. Excellency, since our respective independence, our two countries have enjoyed cordial and friendly relations. Pakistan greatly values this partnership and remains keen to further enhance cooperation across a wide range of mutually beneficial fields. Excellency, Pakistan sincerely desires peace, stability, and prosperity for Myanmar and hopes that the forthcoming general elections will contribute to stability, development, and inclusive governance. Excellency, I would now request you for opening remarks, and then we'll ask the media to leave, and then we will go in serious business. Over to you. Thank you.